All right, so if you haven't already, I hope you did though. Watch part one. Not that they matter, because they're not gonna make no sense no matter what order you read them in. These are the next installments in the Ronnie O'Neill ICFs, those inmate communication forms, all handwritten. So if it don't make sense, it's not me. It's not me. Well, it might be me, but most likely I'm gonna still blame it on this one. So it says, this was filed to the circuit, to the clerk of circuit court. I'm gonna read one day and see what court this is. I believe it's in Florida though. They in Florida, right? Yeah, they in Florida. So it's one of them circuit courts. And this was May 2018. I gotta look and see, was they on the same day too? Now, damn, did he file all of them on the same day? It's a lot of them, y'all. I, Ronnie O'Neill III, am on my own behalf requesting a motion and hearing to compel redaction of illegal, improper, or otherwise protected content of discovery materials released or distributed by the state of Florida, in this case pursuant to request under Chapter 119 Florida statutes, or under any other alleged legal authority, and request for copies of all public disclosures made. I think it was one period, it was a comma up in there, but that was all capital letters as well. Just in case you're not looking, you just listening, I needed to give you the full the full picture. I don't even know if any of that made sense. So if anybody know anything about legal stuff, you let me know if any of that made sense. It might. It might. In addition, it is my right to due process and a fair trial as set forth in Chapter 119 and in parts in the 5th, the 6th, and the 14th Amendments to the Constitution of the United States of America, Article 1, Section 9, 1622 of the Constitution of the State of Florida, Sections 90.202, 11, and 12, and 90.203, Florida Statutes 2018, and Rules 3.190 and 3.220. Florida, additional guidelines of the American Association, and also guidelines contained in the Rules of Professional Conduct of the Florida for Association. Furthermore, okay, no, it's a period right there, so I'm going to take 2 seconds to take a deep breath. He wrote this part in cursive. What do it mean when it's not even print? He ain't printed in lowercase, it ain't uppercase, it's in cursive now. I'm so confused. We ain't go over this in class. OMG. Okay. Furthermore, I am notifying you as suggested in Chapter 27 to 7.7081 Florida statutes in regards to post conviction. I'm so sorry, I cannot read some of this. In post conviction, capital, public records, production, and of conflict of interest on the basis of Florida statute. Oh shoot, did I read the same thing over and over again? No, I think he just wrote it close together. Okay, yep, no, I apologize. Florida Statute 27.70823 records request. Let me move this up some. Jesus. Be a pair of glasses. Okay, wait a minute now. Oh, he got a conclusion. Okay, it's in conclusion, my constitutional and due process rights have been denied and violated on record due to the state's solicitation to attempt murder on my good name. Is that what that say? That can't be. See, it's got to be my eyes. I need to put glasses on. Okay, let me read that one again. In conclusion, my constitutional and due process rights have been denied and violated on record due to the state's solicitation to attempt murder on my good name, character, and being with all the media exposure and extensive, very, I can't see what that say, something prejudicial, pretrial publicity. They must have first off only gave him one sheet of paper, because he made all of his filings one sheet, and you can tell he wanted to say more right there. I appreciate whoever gave him one sheet of paper. Oh my Jesus! I'm gonna need. Okay, this is number one. That's number one. Can somebody let me know what I just said? I don't know what that is. He didn't put no title to give us a context clue enough. I don't know what I just read. I don't know what I just read. I might have just put a hex on us all. Ooh, I didn't realize they had case number. So this is case number 18CF0040198. To the Honorable Samantha L. Ward, the State Attorney, the Department of Legal Affairs, the Attorney General, or whomever this may concern, proclamation of proceeding pro se, or waiver of rights to proceed pro se. Not pro per, but pro se. All right, I'm done. I'm just going to read this and be done for the night and then be back tomorrow for 2 more. Your Honor, I am hereby informing you of ineffective assistance of counsel on the basis of substantive and or procedural unaccountability, in which I am being denied my constitutional right of the number 6, then the small th, then the letter V1 or VI, I'm sorry. So he wrote it both ways, just in case you was confused. The Sixth Amendment regarding the laws and contracts of Chapter 27.703 and 27.708 and 27.711 Florida statutes. Whereas since there's no practical way of receiving conflict-free counsel with forced upon injustice and private interests of the state of Florida, and assign provided counsel to solicit murder and further incite criminal activity and misrepresentation by patronizing solicitation. Therefore, I am waiving my rights to provided counsel because it is wrongfully and unduly depriving me of free will and denying me of constitutional rights with effective assistance of counsel for my defense. Furthermore, my assigned collateral regional counsel has indefinitely violated the terms and conditions of FS 27.71112 by failing to file proper motions in a timely manner and solicitation to receive compensation and failing to adopt my will. So on this day, I am proclaiming to exercise my right to proceed pro se. Signed and dated, Ronnie O'Neal III. Who the hell was going to date the shit if you didn't? Ain't nobody need you to say signed and dated. This one right here. Let me see how many I got left. All right, so it looks like my rough count, and I can't really see, this website is giving me trouble, but it looks like I see FOMO. So it might be 2 more of these videos, depending on how long the rest of them is. So I hope you enjoy this one, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.